Hello guys, how to fix the secure connection failed error with code sec error bad signature in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is go to Windows search, type appwiz.cpl. It will open apps and features in control panel. Here look for any third party antivirus installed in your system, select it and uninstall it. The second workaround is open browser in safe mode. Launch Firefox, click on three dots from the top right corner, choose the option help, click on troubleshoot mode. Firefox is now prompts you whether you want to restart Firefox in troubleshoot mode. Click on restart. Now click on the open button in the window asking whether to open the browser in troubleshoot mode or not. Click on open. The browser now relaunches in the safe mode and check your error is resolved or not. Now disable browser proxy settings. Open settings, under general settings, look for network settings, click on settings. Now choose no proxy in the connection settings windows and press OK. If any tabs are open, close them, relaunch Firefox. Now change installed certificate trust settings. Click on history. In the search box, scroll down and history and click on the clear history button. Clear history button. In clear all history windows, select everything in the drop down associated with the time range to clear. Click all the boxes under the history and data section and press OK. Thereafter go to privacy and security section. Here scroll down and look for certificates section and click on, scroll down and look for certificates. Click on view certificates. In the certificate manager, go to the authorities tab from the top menu bar. Here the certificates are listed in alphabetical order. Click on, select the specific certificate based on the website giving the issue. Click on edit trust and make the check against both the option. This certificate can identify